Yo, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. I just got something spectacular in the mail to show y'all real quick, and we're gonna be installing it and showing you the whole process. So hope y'all enjoy. All right, everyone, this is my test pipes. All right, so I just got my test pipes in the mail, and we are about to go unbox it right now. I got this off of fucking AliExpress because 034 and all them like asking like $600 for these test pipes, which is ridiculous. Like seriously, for a piece of metal, like versus on AliExpress, like this is all drop shipped. That's all it is. Oh. Now here is where it's at. Look, got two of the test pipes right here. All right, what is up, everyone? As you can tell, I already have my test pipes in. I had a boy do it for me because I'm not trying to do that shit by myself in my house. So I just ended up doing it at my boy's house pretty much because he's a mechanic. So he put my test pipes in, and not gonna lie, the exhaust sounds like ass. It sounds like shit, but I did flash it. And I do have the stage 1 test pipes basically, so it does crackle and pop, which I'll show you when I drive a little bit right now, so we'll see. All right, I'm gonna roll down these windows and we're just gonna drive. Aw, man. I'll do one real quick. It sounds like ass, but I'm gonna get an exhaust system soon though. Probably like a full catback, probably like a AWE or some shit like that. So it's gonna be really nice. But the Burbos though is what's crazy. That's what I like about this these test pipes. Like breathing. Oh, that shit is crazy. What the fuck? It has 2-step launch, so it's fucking insane, the launch control on this shit. I'm in an undisclosed location to test out these pops and bangs, basically, from the Tune. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna 2-step it from different RPMs, basically launching it. So first one's gonna be at 2 and then at 5 for like a few seconds, maybe 5 seconds each, and I'll put my microphone behind my car and in front of it too, because the supercharger also sounds really funny and interesting when you are 2-stepping it or launching it. So let's get into it. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I certainly did making it. These crackles and pops are loud as hell, man. Like, ridiculously loud. So I'll make a few TikToks about it. So follow all my social media, Instagram, TikTok. They're all linked in the description down below. And I'll see y'all later. We post some more videos soon. And you know what? I'm outie.